Hey guys, if you're here watching this video, then you're here to hear about this special surprise that I have for you guys. Guys, we're on the way to 1K subscriber and I am going to have a giveaway when I reach 1K subscriber, guys. I am so excited to reach 1K subscriber. This is not because 1K subscriber make you be monetized, but I've been on YouTube for so long and the journey, I don't know, it has been a rough one where sometimes I feel demotivated and sometimes I feel motivated to continue what I am doing. Guys, if my hand look ashy at the floor because I'm in the kitchen, guys, if you don't know how this kitchen struggle go, then you guys not cooking none at all. I will be giving away a small selfie ring light, guys. I will be giving away a small selfie ring light, right? If you're in Jamaica, on that giveaway you will also earn $500 Digicel or Lime credit. If you're overseas, you will only receive the ring light because I can't afford them the credit there, and normal overseas people don't buy credit. So guys, let's get this channel to 1K subscriber. I'm so happy to be a part of YouTube. Like, I feel so motivated sometimes to make videos, like to watch back my video them. Sometimes I feel so demotivated to watch the video them, but to know all this thing go already, it's all a journey, it's all a process. If I even school it there, the process rough sometimes. So guys, go ahead and hit this video up with a thumb, a like, go ahead and leave a comment down, because guess what, I am doing notification shout outs now on my channel. So if you want to get a shout out on my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, comment down below. Guys, go ahead and follow my Instagram at itsdominique_, where I will post all the details that you guys need to know about this giveaway. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't subscribe. Until next time, it's your girl Dominique on the channel Life as Dominique Awesomeness. I love you guys. Bye.